We recommend using 4 or more people to set up our 10 by 20 tent. Start by expanding your frame halfway. Here the 20-foot side is facing forward. Now grab your print and using 4 or more people, place the print onto the frame. Try to prevent the print from touching the ground. Make sure the 20-foot side of the print is positioned on the 20-foot side of the frame and the 10-foot side of the print is on the 10-foot side of the frame. Attach the loop fastener on the print to the hook fastener on the 4 leg corners. With the print on and attached at the 4 corners, expand the frame out all the way. Next, push up all of the sliding brackets until they lock into place. Go under your tent and start attaching the hook and loop straps. The custom printed canopy attaches with a single hook and loop strap on the 20-foot sides as demonstrated. The stock color canopy attaches to the frame with 2 hook and loop straps located on each side of the canopy. Now adjust the tent legs to the desired height. Push the red tabs on the legs height adjuster to release the inner pin and push the leg up. Once you have your desired height, make sure the locking pins on each of the legs snap into place. To place a round base plate onto the legs, lay one half of the weight onto the leg as shown using the center cutout, and then lay the other half down as shown. The weight will form a circle. When your canopy gets older, you may adjust the height of the tent's peak by using the crank to tighten the look of the canopy. Locate the black turning knob on the bottom of the peak pole and turn counterclockwise. When you hear clicking, the pole has reached its maximum height. Your 10 by 20 tent is now set up.